In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your old deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup, you need to click and hold on the WhatsApp logo, go to app info, then go to storage and cache. Now from here, first you have to click on this clear cache option, and after that click on clear storage. Once you have done that, close settings and go to file manager, click on all files, go to internal storage and then go to Android, select media and now go to com.whatsapp, select WhatsApp and then go to databases. Now here you will see some files, so all you have to do is to copy all these files. Click on copy. Now go back to the previous folder and go to backups and paste all these files here. And that's it. Once you have done that, your deleted chats will be recovered on WhatsApp without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.